Winter transforms your garden into a serene, magical space. Decorate with evergreen garlands, pine cones, and twinkling fairy lights to add sparkle. Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Small wooden houses embody a timeless charm that appeals to those seeking simplicity, warmth, and a connection to nature. These cozy dwellings often feature handcrafted details, natural materials, and a design that emphasizes functionality without sacrificing aesthetic appeal. Their compact size makes them ideal for rural retreats, vacation homes, or even urban retreats where space is limited. The use of wood as the primary building material not only provides excellent insulation but also creates an inviting atmosphere that exudes rustic elegance. Many small wooden houses are designed with sustainability in mind, utilizing locally sourced timber and eco-friendly construction methods. The appeal of these homes lies in their ability to blend seamlessly into natural surroundings, whether nestled among trees or perched on a coastal bluff. Their quaint appearance often evokes nostalgia, reminding us of simpler times and traditional craftsmanship. Over the years, small wooden houses have evolved from basic structures into stylish, functional living spaces that can be customized to reflect individual tastes and lifestyles. From cozy interiors with warm lighting to charming porches perfect for relaxing with a cup of coffee, these homes are a testament to the beauty of minimalism and craftsmanship. As a lifestyle choice, they represent a retreat from modern chaos, offering tranquility and a slower pace of life. Whether used as primary residences or weekend getaways, small wooden houses continue to capture the imagination of homeowners worldwide. Rustic home decor emphasizes natural materials, raw textures, and a warm, inviting atmosphere. It celebrates imperfections and the natural beauty of wood, stone, and metal, creating spaces that feel authentic and lived in. The aesthetic often features distressed finishes, vintage furniture, and handcrafted accessories that tell a story and add character to any room. The color palette typically includes earthy tones such as browns, beiges, creams, and muted greens, which evoke a sense of harmony with the outdoors. Incorporating reclaimed wood furniture, wrought iron fixtures, and woven textiles enhances the rustic charm while providing durability and comfort. This style is particularly popular in homes with open floor plans, where the natural materials can be showcased prominently. Lighting plays a crucial role, with warm, ambient fixtures like wrought iron chandeliers or lantern-style lamps creating cozy corners. Decorations often include botanical prints, antique tools, and handcrafted pottery, adding layers of texture and visual interest. Rustic decor is versatile. It complements modern minimalist spaces as well as traditional interiors, creating a balanced blend of old and new. The focus is on creating a welcoming environment that feels authentic and connected to nature. This style fosters a sense of nostalgia and craftsmanship, making every space uniquely warm and inviting. Coastal art captures the essence of seaside living, bringing the tranquility and beauty of the ocean into your home. It features motifs such as waves, seashells, lighthouses, boats, and marine life, often rendered in soothing colors like blues, whites, and sandy neutrals. Coastal art serves as a visual reminder of the calming influence of the sea, making it a popular choice for decorating beach houses and coastal-inspired interiors. The artwork can range from paintings and prints to sculptures and textiles, each adding a layer of coastal charm. Artists often use watercolor techniques to evoke the fluidity of water or incorporate natural materials like driftwood and shells into their creations. Coastal art not only beautifies a space but also creates a relaxed, airy ambience that encourages leisure and reflection. It pairs beautifully with light-colored, breezy textiles and natural decor elements, fostering a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Many homeowners choose coastal art to evoke memories of seaside vacations or to bring a sense of escape into their everyday lives. Whether displayed prominently in living rooms or used as accents in bedrooms and bathrooms, coastal art infuses spaces with a sense of calm and serenity. Its versatility allows it to complement various styles, from rustic cabins to contemporary seaside homes. The charm of small wooden houses is amplified when complemented with rustic decor, creating a harmonious and inviting environment. The natural texture of wood walls and beams provides a perfect backdrop for rustic furnishings and accessories. Think of a cozy living room with a reclaimed wood coffee table, vintage lamps, and plush textiles in earthy tones, each element enhancing the warmth and authenticity of the space. The small size of these homes encourages thoughtful decoration, emphasizing quality over quantity. The rustic aesthetic encourages the use of handcrafted and vintage pieces, which add personality and character to the home. Exposed wooden beams, stone fireplaces, and distressed furniture create a layered look that feels both timeless and contemporary. The integration of rustic decor in small wooden houses promotes a sense of comfort and belonging, making every corner feel personal and welcoming. This synergy supports sustainable living, as many rustic elements are sourced from reclaimed or natural materials. The overall effect is a cozy retreat that feels rooted in tradition yet tailored to modern tastes. The visual harmony between the natural wood interiors and rustic decor fosters an atmosphere of peace and simplicity, ideal for relaxation and reconnecting with nature. Bringing coastal art into rustic and wooden homes creates a delightful fusion of seaside serenity with earthy warmth. Coastal artwork, with its soothing color palette and marine motifs, complements the natural textures of wood and stone found in rustic interiors. For example, a watercolor painting of ocean waves or a framed collection of seashells can serve as focal points that enhance the overall ambience. The soft blues and sandy neutrals of coastal art brighten spaces and evoke feelings of calm, making them ideal for small wooden houses nestled in natural or coastal settings. Integrating coastal art can be as simple as hanging a large canvas above a rustic fireplace or displaying a gallery wall of vintage maritime prints. The combination of coastal motifs with rustic decor creates a layered look, where the rugged charm of reclaimed wood pairs beautifully with delicate seashell ornaments or driftwood sculptures. This blend not only amplifies the aesthetic appeal but also reinforces the connection to nature and the sea. Coastal art also brings a sense of escapism and tranquility, transforming a simple space into a coastal retreat. Whether in a living room, bedroom, or porch, carefully chosen coastal art pieces elevate rustic interiors, making them feel more vibrant and alive while maintaining their cozy charm. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.